Most students don't lose marks in substitution because they don't understand it. They lose marks because they skip a few small steps. Substitution is supposed to make integration easier. But if you don't do it properly, you'll actually create the mistakes. Let's take an example. Integral of x squared x cubed plus 1 to the power of 5 dx from 0 to 2. So the substitution we take would be u is equal to x cubed plus 1. The substitution is usually given to you in the question paper. So you just apply the substitution that they give you. Now, is this sufficient? So the first mistake that you make is to assume that the substitution u is equal to x cubed plus 1 is enough and substitute it into the integral. But the problem that arises here is you also have to substitute dx. Along with all the x's, you have to substitute dx as well. So to do that, when you make a substitution, you have to immediately differentiate it as well. So I get 3x squared and then figure out a way to replace the dx as well as all the other x's in the integral. So over here, I have x squared and dx, which have to be replaced. So from here, I can get x squared dx is du by 3. And then we substitute. So integral of x cubed plus 1 to the power of 5 becomes u to the power of 5. And x squared dx becomes du by 3. Right? Now, the limits are 0 to 2. That is the second mistake. The limits 0 to 2 are for x, but we have now changed the variable to u. So, the limits have to be changed accordingly. So, when x was 0, u would be x cubed plus 1, which is 1. And when x is 2, u would be x cubed plus 1, which is 2 cubed plus 1, which is 9. Right? So, you have to change the limits as well because you are now using u instead of x. So, when x was 0, u is 1. And when x is 2, u is 9. So with new limits, you have u to the power of 5 by 3 du. Now we integrate. So the integral of u to the power of 5 is u to the power of 6 by 6. We already have a 3 in the denominator. Keep that. And then the limits 1 to 9. And then you can go ahead and apply the limits. So 9 to the power of 6 by 18 minus 1 by 18. So as you can see, these aren't very big mistakes, but they're very common mistakes. And they cost you easy marks in paper 3. Comment the topic you want next, and I'll break it down just like this.